Hi, Monico. Victoria, 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 Victoria. I wanna sing to Victoria, Makai. I wanna sing to Victoria, Makai. Nyakuar pesa. I wanna sing to Victoria, Makai. Victoria, I wanna vibe to Victoria, Makai. Ah, Silva. Ah, Freddy. I wanna vibe to Victoria, Makai. Nico Opio. Say no to pollution. Let Victoria must be clean. Zippy Nicholas, Nicky Chelsea. Hi, Nicky Chelsea. Good morning, everyone watching. Oh, Chelsea, yeah. Oh, Chelsea, yeah. I see Chelsea watching. I'll be your Buddha. Yeah. Tell me, Mr. Pio. Oh, Pio, my guy. Go cabin, Jumbo. Victoria. Yeah. Booney, how are you? I see Ari Ari. Yeah, keep on watching. My name is Maka Mukenda. This is a morning vibe with the instrument called Nyatiti Libos, also on the vibe. Ewa. But also on the vibe. Keep on watching. This is a very special vibe with Nyatiti. I see. Anasa. Deno. Shining onto the vibe. Ay Rosa. No Rosa Mama. How are you, Rosa? Oh, my baby. Oh, my baby. Usia. Kazini yake. Ha ha. I'm fine, Rosa. I'm fine, Rosa. Where's Obina? Where's Obina? I got to baby. Yeah. Hello, Bina, my train. Hello, Bina, my wake up. 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 Hello, Bina. How I doing? Is my also the vibe. Well, no, when I wake up, I go to I go Nyatiti, honey, honey, baby. Long time, how are you? Long time, honey. How are you doing, honey? Honey. Yeah, guys, I have to shift because right now I don't see there's no, the sign of rain. You are playing good video. Playing. Thanks so much. Ubina, you have to wake up. I say you have to wake up. I say I'm now shifting, guys. I say Ubina, you have to wake up, my guy. Just wake up, honey. Morning. I'm just now shifting. You know, I have a. Yeah, this is my favorite place for the streaming. Now I'm in the favorite place. Just 1 second. I'm bringing the chair. honey. Today I have a lot to play. I have a lot to play for. I just have a lot to play for you. Just want to play a lot of songs to entertain you, honey, honey. Let me start the vibe with honey. Monica, keep on watching, honey. Yeah, I was just shifting, but right now I'm done. Honey, Maya yeah, honey, oh no, my mother. If I say you coming from to dance with me, and I tell you to sing oh after me. If I say honey dance, yeah. If I say honey dance, if I say honey dance, you have to dance. If I say you have to be your next. My oh God, oh my God, yeah. Oh, Maka. I call my wife. Yeah, Obinakis. If I say Obinakis, Obinakis. If I say Obinakis, ha ha. If I say Obina, catch someone. If I say bang bang. Yeah. Thank you so much, Chrissy. My hello, honey, mama, ha ha. Ah, I see you, baby. Yeah. If I say moi, ah. If I say moi, yeah. Honey, mama, ah. If I say honey, yeah. If I say wululu, aye. I be my bag. Black Prince, my Tommy, honey, Rosa, yeah. If I say Kuna Bamba, the police king. If I say Obina Wake Rosa, ah. If I say yeah, oh no, honey mama, Chrisia, Gormaya Yamurinde, Yanung Bang Manazunde, ha ha. If I say honey beauty, yeah. Thank you so much, Chris, for that born. If I say sing, wow. So ni makovuenya, ni makovuenya, ni makovuenya. Monica, ni honi mama, honey, 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 Obina, yeah, mukenda makovuenya. I see Blackpink, Yotumujanda, Lord, Yotumujanda. I see Patricia, Yotumujanda, yeah, Vale, Gulakubwita. I'm Kenya, Obina, I'm Kenya. I'm a Kenyan guy. I'm a Kenyan guy. Mondo. I see never give up. No matter hard. Alibaba. Jana. Nimbo Zubaba. Nimegi Trinity. Trinity. Ha ha. Yo. Obina Baba. I see 17, 17, 17, 17. 17, 17. Thank you so much, 17, 17. You are welcome. You are welcome. I wanna show you the beach. Yeah. Obina Baba. Yes. For sure. For sure. Yeah, Mugenda Makuvenda. Mofa. That is for sure. Nice place. Even right now, I'm in the beach. Caritas. Nikari danso. Yeah. Shoshowa mayu. Nikari mama. Britney Spears. Where is Britney Spears? Just inbox me. I'll give you my WhatsApp number. Nimako Venya Molia. I see Britney. Dr. Mulungi. Yeah. People scare ni mohababa, ni moli mama, moli mama. I see. Yeah, no problem, my guy. Lisa, before you leave, let me show you the place where I am right now. You see, I'm in the beach now, my guy. This is a very nice beach where a lot of tourists, they just come here. Yeah, even if you go the other side is an Indian Ocean. The other side, you see, the other side is Indian Ocean, my guy. The other side, but this side is a river. We call it River Congo. You see, this is a river side. Yeah, just keep on watching. Yeah, she told me about it. Okay, that's fine. If she already told you about it, no problem, no worry, no worry. Let's continue the vibe. If you know that, no worry in Africa. No worry, my brother. No worry, no worry, no worry. Just keep on watching. Also, I have a YouTube channel, guys. For those who are watching, you can check also on my YouTube channel. Yeah. Let's continue the vibe. I know. Yo, Nicaritas, yeah, Nicari mama, Nicaritas, Mugelo Panyakini, yeah, Nicari mama, yeah, Nicari, the name, the lady is called Caritas, Asante Sana, yeah, thank you so much, Caritas. I got to do, yeah, I got in my mind. The molly, yeah, no problem, no beam now. Moving up and up, I sing to carry, yeah, carry, oh, beautiful carry. Nicaritas, Texas. Yeah. If I, Nicari mama, the beautiful number one. Nicari dancing, can you smile? I got to do, yeah. I see Molly Pocket. Andre, Tiffany, Tibo, when I wanna sing to Carimaro, Nicaritas, yeah, Nicariari, the beautiful Cari. I don't know Cari, are you dancing? Blue. Blue Baba, good morning, Abarigani, yeah, Lewis, Mr. Ban, Celestina, yeah, I see blue, this is l'amour, yeah, oh yeah, mama. Ha ha! How are you, Nyabe? A long time, yeah. How are you? A long time, Agnes. Unaendelea vipi? Yeah. Mom is over the moon because of the song. Black Prince. Tell me. Yeah. Tap the screen. You can share the gift. It's Maka. The same name in YouTube. Yeah. Dance kidogo. Abba. Alizeka, hello, Black Prince. Now you have to be happy. Guys, I have a new song on YouTube. Pumpkin, yeah. Bambu Baba, Asante Sana, Pumpkin Baba. May God bless you. Yeah. May God bless you. Black print also the one. May God bless you. Are your ancestors happy now? May God bless you. With the traditional vibe. Yeah. I see pumpkin. Yeah. I have a new song on YouTube. Remember to download the song. It's called Victoria. Nigari mama pumpkin. Ni majalego. Yeah, guys, keep on watching. Thank you so much for clapping. You have to clap for the flower or clap for Maka, guys. If you are watching, you have to clap with something there. Thank you so much. Keep on watching. It's Maka Mugenda. Also, I have a YouTube channel. It's called Maka Mugenda. I have a new song there. For next year. They're funny. Tenda also never. If you want to make your ancestor happy, use a traditional something like a traditional instrument. The funny, I see the black pumpkin. The good news. I see pumpkin, my guy. I see pumpkin, my guy. I wanna make your ancestors so happy. Yeah, Mokorone. If you know, you know. Yeah. If you don't know, you don't know. This is time to dance. This is time. This is time. Pumpkin. Tashi, yeah, Tashi. Tashi. Have you seen the phonics? The phonics. The phonics. Yeah. Tashi, yeah, Tashi. Pumpkin gonna make crazy. I wanna go like a lumbo. Lumbo, lumbo. Pumpkin gonna make crazy. Yeah. I don't know if you're enjoying the vibe. Gonna. Lumbo, lumbo, lumbo. Pedro! I see black free. Tracy also watching. And also remember to check on YouTube after this, because I have a very special song there called Atini Anna, 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 Anna. Have you fallen in love with a daughter of native doctor? That's the point where you will know what love is about. Yeah. Yeah. You are welcome, guys, after the screen. If you have a gift, guy, you can share. Thank you so much, Pumpkin, for the sharing of gifts. To Black Print also. And there's also the beautiful lady in the house. I see Kari. Kari 1, Kari 2, Kari touch, Kari 3, Kari smile, Kari vibe, Kari. Yeah! I think Kari, she look like her mother. You know, beautiful lady like Kari, they look like their mother. Kari, oh, Kari. Aye! If you want to control the economy, my guy, You have to look beautiful, lady like Kari. Kari, Kari, one, Kari, Kari, two. Pumpkin! Ay, 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 ay. I wish I see your mother. Yeah. I see Anna, CPO. Starboy also passing. You wanna check Makamuganda if it's no. Yeah. 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 Ay, 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 ay. DT9. Sania Coco. Magically. Like it magically. One beat music. I think that's a studio. I want to do recording. Yeah. Aya, 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 oh, aya. Tashi Adonai. How are you, Adonai, my guy? One beat music. I think that's a production. Guys, thanks so much. Keep on watching. My name is Makamuganda with a traditional instrument called Nyatiti. Please subscribe, tap on the screen. If you have a gift, guys, just kill me with a gift. Why can I say no? I don't. Sure. Yeah. Ding out dance, yeah. Ding out dance, yeah. Well, look out dance, mama. I see Captain. I'm a guy, Cristela. I'm busy. Myself, I just said it. Ha ha, Captain Barracuda. Good morning, Captain. Oh, Captain Barracuda. Christy. Yeah. Nyadundo, nyadundo. Nyadundo, bobo chonyongado. Nyadundo, nyadundo. Ha ha. I see Sarah. Captain. Barracuda. Nyadundo, nyadundo. Well, biggie. Well, yeah. Nothing is permanent. Bye-bye. Crystal also bye. You know me? Kasi. Yeah, keep on watching. My name is Makamuganda. I really appreciate your time. Uvivu. Jeremy, hiyo ni uvivu haki ya nani? Umesema ukweli. I like Jeremy Timothy. Thank you so much for your comment. Financially. Time. Banani. Ha ha. Satu Sami smiling. Jonah. How are you, Jonah? Tap the screen. Yo, Isabella. Shoot. Longo nyau benya. Longo nyau benya. Ha ha. Yeah. Longo nyau benya. Smile. Ungena mago penya tingo kumadero ti ungenya. Sama coral lungo pio mano quiero Kenya dalo. Yeah. Ya mbogo tunduongi. Just 1 second, Omera. Rangi WhatsApp ni nyalo bedo gimoro ma Billy Amos Jatela watching you right now. Black Prince Space. Okay. For that I can't sing that song now. I see power. Lungongo nyau benya sindi. Lungongo nyau benya sindi. Alexia. Ay ay ay. Thank you, Alexi. Alexi, thank you so much for your love. I really appreciate your love. Ungena mago penya tingo madero ti ungenya. Sama coral lungo pio mano quiero Kenya dalo kamte. Ya lo mbogo tunduongi. Yeah, loba. Ha ha. Alexi, Alexi, can you dance? Can you dance? Dunya Ugenya, yeah. Rainy, our rainy, the only rainy, one rainy, no more rainy, one rainy. Ha ha. Morning rainy. I see Alexi watching. John Walker, John Walker. Longo nyau Kenya. La Mara, La Mara. Longo nyau Kenya. Amajan eno chwale got malo ikvale. No angel no paro go go look it. Alex, have you seen the big rainy? Aya, what drama? What drama? Guys, I have to shift. It's now raining. Raining, very serious. Raining now, raining. Walla, running because of raining. Wow, wow, wow. It's raining. Yeah, bro. Guys, it's raining. Yeah. Baby. Guys, just short seconds. Nice lake of Gada. I'm coming, guys. It's now raining. Let me come. Just be very shortly. Wow. It's raining. You can see the other side. You see. That's how it's raining, my guy. LFG. You want a Yubu Ogada? I just want to play for you that song. Now, don't worry. Laura Wings. Yes, I'm in the beach. May I live in the beach, one. Laura Wings, how are you? This is a Yubu Ogada song now. I want to go to the motherland. Before I start, guys, this song is for the legend, one of our legends by the name Ayubu Ogada. Yeah, this is a guy. The guy who was playing this song is about, he was talking about the shepherd who, if they can bring the cows, the cattle back, because it's almost raining like now. Yeah, so the guy was saying, now it's raining, please bring back the cattle. The song is called I. Pacho, thank you so much, Pacho. Elubokedala ya enyi vindogi un coro timbare Thank you so much, Pacho. Thank you so much, LFR. The song is for Ayubo Gada. Let me give Pacho one song. Renia. Nia. Wala Pacho. Nyar. Yeah. Nyar KB. Unongo na Pacho. Reni reni. Pacho inyakanye Nyar KB From KB Daniela From KB Elie Pacho good man Ay Pacho The beautiful Pacho Nyar KB Aye, ya Josephine. Don't any baba. I'll be thinking about your mama. Yeah, I don't know mama. I don't know about you. Tap the screen. Also, if you have a gift, guys, you can share. And yeah, I see the guy, the big guy in the house, while singing to Pacho. Nyar KB. I don't know KB, but well, I can tell you. Hi, Pacho. Darling, oh, my money, yeah. I wish I see you, mama. Mano, you do Pacho, Pacho. Nyake, baby. Daniela dance. Daniela, yeah. Angelina. Angelica, aye. Angelica, yeah. Angie. You see Pacho. Nyake, baby. Aye. Yellow. Ay, mamá, amor a tu, amor, yeah. Are you dancing? Are you dancing? Are you dancing? Yeah. Somebody never join. Angelica, tumduaga koyabi. Bangla, ha ha, give it. One. Oh, Pacho, thank you, Pacho. Asante sana, Pacho. Yeah, you know, that's how Nyatiti is. Nyatiti is just about making people laugh, making people happy. Pacho, are you from where, Pacho? Wow, Nyarkorowe, how are you? Mm. Nyakarachuonyo, mano ber nyathiwa. Ha ha. Ah, la 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 la. Thank you so much, Lala. Kawono nyiri oyuoro ka. Somewhat with hard. La 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 la. Yeah. Adribe. Somewhat with hard. Renny, have you seen someone with a daughter? Pacho, yeah. Carajonyo on the house. Lilia, life also the vibe. Adeli, Nyakanecha. I'm fine, but Nyakorowe. Nyakorowe nene budaga. Yeah. Do the dance. Nyakorowe can you dance? Edwidi bema. Bajo mama. Nyakarajonyo malu. Yeah. At what? Yeah. Music bring happiness. Lila. You can't not to buy happiness. You cannot to buy happiness. Do the yeah. Do the mama. Do the mama. Nyakoro. Yeah. Nyakarajonyo, let me tell you something. Music bring happiness. Renia, you can't buy happiness. Yeah, music bring happiness. Laura wings, Laura mama. Some days back on my car, I perform in Tanzania. I meet people from Tanzania, the classic Canada, yeah. To Jamadu, Layo, to Jamadu, do the dance. Nyakarajonyo, can you shake? Mama, can you dance it now? Nyakarajonyo, Renny, yeah. I need somebody who know how to shake Otenga. Ready to shake Otenga. With the one leg. Bella. Tap the screen. Casero. Ay. La hora way. Sometimes I meet people from Europe, They gonna dance in Nyatiti. Yeah! Thank you so much, movie. I am at movie Baba. Can you jam? Yeah. Rasaman. Can you jam? I am at movie. Well, no, can you jam with Maka? Ay, ay, ay. I see Rasaman also in the mind. Rasaman is a peaceful man. Moving on. AM Adda. Yeah. Today, oh, today. Nyapa jolinka. Yeah. Also check you on YouTube. It's Maka Mugenda. I have new songs there on YouTube. Yeah. Bajo, 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 marua, bajo, angado dumba, lila, angado dumba, haha. EM movie, angado dumba, Razama never die. That's what my grandfather told me. They rest in peace, Vanessa. Razaman never die. They rest in peace. Yeah. We have a guy, also is a Razaman, watching and do there. Gonna sing, gonna sing, gonna sing, gonna sing, gonna bambari, gonna ganga. Yeah, keep on watching Cover of the Screen, guys. I really appreciate your time. My name is Maka Mugenda. I'm a traditional instrumentalist, also musician, playing traditional instrument called Nyatiti. Yeah, check on YouTube also, subscribe, EM all art. Thank you so much, my guy. May God bless you so much. This is a very special vibe. Yeah, this is a very special vibe. Ogutalio Bobo was playing Midwong, not Nyatiti. Yeah! EM Art officially. There's a guy, Benson asking, one song say Koblogolong Marating. Yeah, Koblogolong Marating is a traditional Nyatiti song. I must give you. Why can't I lie? Why can't I deny? And also this is also a new song in YouTube. Yeah! October Dance. Yeah! Keep on watching Top of the Screen, guys. It's a very special morning in Africa. It's morning. Our time now is 8:26 a.m. Yeah, that's a very funny thing. This is a song now. There's a guy asked me this song. I have to play because it's a request. deny request. Thank you so much for those who are tapping the screen, and also for those who are sending gifts. Yeah. Yeah. Nyakoroi. Very Saki. Yeah. Yeah. EMR official. We are headed. We are ahead, my God. Yeah. Yeah. That lady with the white trouser. You wanna know that I'm gonna cut I do it. EMR. That lady with the white trouser. That lady with the white trouser. Also, this song is in YouTube. She wanna shake her bamba. That lady with the white trouser. Ready? This song is in YouTube, guys. You can check it. I played with the band, with the modern instruments. She gonna make me go crazy. Yeah. Adiambo, 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 yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, belong my day. La perfume. Hada. Gonna shake, bang, 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 bang. Yeah. Kevin Light. Gonna spread it, bang, bang, bang. Yeah. Ready. Yeah. I want to take a kisumo. Yeah. We know that Rennie, just my guy, you see? Who is hot? If you say is hot like father, don't say hot. You have to complete the statement, please. Let's continue the vibe. Yeah, this is a song for those who are dating and who are married. I listen to your jazz. Thank you so much, Winona, for listening. Uh, if you are dating, this is your song. If you are married, this is your song. How you have to call your baby, how you have to call your wife, how you have to call your husband. This is your song. I know. Abuju buju, abuju buju, kambanya. Abuju buju, kambanya. Yeah. Forget about love. Ati my lover, that is an old vision. My sweetheart, that is an old vision. Abuju buju, kambanyana. Yeah. Imia weo siepena maricho mawoto di utino. Kaduaro mon, kaduaro mon, kaduaro mon, kaduaro. Yeah. Abuju buju, my baby girl. Abuju buju, my honey. Yeah. Abuju buju. If you are ready to be treated with a Luo man, yeah. If you are ready to be called Nyamaro, Nyamaro, yeah. Abuju buju, Remy, you have to call her Abuju buju. Nijara, Nijara, aye. Garambe, 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 gonyo gana. Mayo, vita, renie, 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 renie. Yeah. Tap the screen. You can share the live. And I see nothing. Nothing. Ululu makare. I wanna zingure. Yeah. I need somebody. I don't know. She gonna dance, she gonna bamba, yeah, she gonna abuju buju, rambanya, yeah. Imia weo se pena maricho, maodolieno, yeah. We know na dance, R&B, ah. Mano, 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 nyawano, yeah, 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 Guys, I really appreciate your time. The song say Abuju Buju, that means my baby girl. Abuju Buju, that means my baby boy. I couldn't find a subscriber, I need to fight in. Thank you so much. Okay, the guy, the song right now I want to play for you. These are prosperity song. In case you want to move to another step, you have to be silent. That's all about the song. I composed this song because that sometimes you have a plan and you start spreading out before you succeed on that plan. So that lead, it can make you to fall. It can make you to fail also. Yeah, so that's the main reason why also I composed this song. Say, just be silent. This is a song. Share the gift. Tap on the screen. If you don't have the gift, you have to dance. That's a must. Krista Palma. Yeah. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah. Shout on the screen. Share the live. You can dance. You can shake, you can nick, Christopher, yeah. You can Rastaman, If you wanna be successful, destiny. If you wanna be successful, yeah, you better be silent, my guy. You better be silent, Christine. You better be silent, yeah. Nikki, yeah. What they know they kill. What they know they kill. What they think they will talk about. Nobody want to be ahead of her. Yeah. Janda, 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 oh janda. Ah, ay 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 yeah. Ha ha. Yeah. Okinyigi benja. Okinyigi benja. Nina nale kanga maju. Bless up. You better be silent. You better be silent. You better be silent. Yeah. If you wanna be successful, bless up. Ay ay ay. Down top the screen. You better be silent. You better be silent. Nobody happy about you or blah. Omio anane yakane. Ha ha. We know that that's a great song about the people. That's how people are. No one is happy by the time you are growing. Jumbo, bless up my guy. Jumbo is Jumbo, not Jumbo. Jumbo, how are you? Yeah, and my grandfather told me, brah, you have to just be silent anytime you have a plan. Let's is okay. Yeah, action speaks louder, bro. Let's result just talk. Result will just talk. Say, I'm successful. Thank you so much. Keep on watching. Tap the screen. Is Maka Mugenda. And remember, right now I am almost standing. I want to stand, and you know when I am standing, my guys, what I'm capable of. Yeah. Yeah, you know, by the time I'm performing, you have to be silent, dancing, or you can shout, not talk. mm. Let's continue the vibe. This is a song I like. This is my favorite song. This is a song I composed to my ex-girlfriend. Her father was a native doctor. I like the song so much. Her father was a native doctor and her mother was a night runner back in our village. Yeah, you can talk. We don't know how I allow you. Let's continue. Hola, hola. I see hola, hola. Remember Rennie also in the vibe. Hola, my guy. How are you doing? How are you doing? How are you doing? And it's here. Guys, tap up the screen, please. Today we must reach 40K. Hola, oh, hola. Hola, oh, hola. Hola, hola. Hola. Yeah. Aye. Hola, oh, hola. Ha, ha. Ati, hola, Henry. Ati what? Hola, hola. Hola, 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 oh, hola. Hola, hola. Hola, Henry, hola. Yeah. Samuel. Hola, oh, hola. Hola, hola. Hola, dancing baba. I know na dum dum dum. I want to know dum dum. Samuel, can you dance too? We know na can you dance? Yeah. Hey, oh, can you dance? Hola, oh, hola, hola, yelele, baba. Hola, gonna dance to me. You wanna go down? Yeah. Back to life. Anna, Anna, oh Anna, 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 oh Anna. Mtoto wa mganga amependa mwanamuziki. Mtoto wa mganga amependa mwanamuziki. Our father was a native doctor. Anna, yeah. Baba. I'm happy to see Ola Henry. Thank you so much. Analiponiona kwa mara ya kwanza alifurahi. Analiponiona kwa mara ya kwanza alifurahi. Anaole. Yeah. Rexy, Rexy, Rex. And my friend Rexy, Rexy also happy this side. Morning, Rexy. Walla, walla, baba. Can you dance in your Nyatiti? Get zero funny. Ha ha. Yeah. Anna. Guys, that's now time. Thank you so much, Ola, my guy, Henry Ola. I see Zero Panic also watching. Sabani, you normally support me. Tap up the screen. I really appreciate. I see my beautiful lady from Luland, also in the vibe, Omera. Nyatiti, tell me. Let's continue the vibe, guys. Just continue the vibe. And now I want to shift to the other side because now it's stopped. It was raining, but right now it have already stopped. So I want to shift so that I can stand. I play with a lot of energy. We know you know what I'm capable of while standing. Don't move. Just you can see the Laura Wings. How are you? See the other side also. It's a very nice place. I mean, the very, very, very nice. This is a nice place to see. You can also come. I'm now shifting. Just few seconds, guys. I'm now doing something here. Few seconds, and we are back to the vibe. Yeah, right now this is how the place is. Very nice. When you see this, how Diani is in the morning. I mean Diani, guys, and we call it Diani Beach. You see, put down your comment in case you have any question to ask concerning that area you are seeing. Where you see, yeah, this is a very nice beach here in Kenya, my guy. Now let me stand. Hey. No. I have to put my tripod in good position. In good position, my guys. Now you see me. It's very cold, but I'm sweating. For those who are watching, this is the instrument I'm playing. Now there's a time now when I stand what I'm capable of doing, my guy. I wanna kill the vibe now. Let's continue. Thank you so much for tapping the Olu. Yeah. So what is the name of the song? That song is called Anna. Anna by Maka Mugenda. I have decided, oh my God, to sing to all I hate, all I hate, all I owe, all I hate, all I hate. I have decided, oh my God, to follow Bamba, Selena dance. Yeah, we know now where you. We know now where you. Ay. A biggie. Yeah, Nyaki B. Bendi Minjanga. All I say. also check on YouTube, subscribe. It's a traditional vibe with Mac. Bajo, Bajo Bono, Judy Mama, Bajo Bono, Judy Mama, loving. We call it Nyatiti. His woman Nyatiti online. I love JJSP. Aye. Hola, hola. I wanna boom getting hola. Yeah. I think they got a man. I wanna got a man. Yes, I make it. Majoya. Ha ha. Thank you so much, Bajo. Bajo Sullivan. Bajo Nyakemi. Beautiful Bajo. Nyapewa. Yeah. I see my guy watching. My guy watching. Grab on the screen, guy. I see. Bajo mama, Bajo mama, hola, 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 Kaila bang, Kaila's bang, Kaila's bang, Kaila's bang, can you dance, Kaila's bang, yeah. Hola, ay, 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 mila, Kaila's bang, Jawaya, Henry, hola, ni makaye, de la mutu, ati what, everyone in the vibe, ni aye. Jawaya, Lori, Lori, Kaila's bang, hola Henry, Jawaya, yeah, yeah, hola waya, yeah, Kaila's bang, Daniel Lare, happy, hola baba, yeah, Ankudi, yeah, Ankudi, hola baba, yeah, Kaila's bang, Emily mama, Jabe, yeah, Nyakoji, hello. Victoria, oh Victoria, I wanna travel to see Victoria, oh Victoria, hey, allora, alle sotto, Juma Saloma. Hola. I'm using a bundle, so I'm really sorry, guys. When it's done, I have to recharge. When it's done, I have to recharge. That's how we are doing, Omela. It's going, we recharge. It's going, we recharge. Can you know that? Let's go, Ronnie. Let's go. I'm totally confused, my God. Me. I'm totally confused, my God. They preach to us, telling us money is evil, my brother. Yeah. Well, no, hi, Maria. Adonia. Hola, hola. Well, no, Maria. Yeah. When I think about money, Makari, Nurtivo, I'm totally confused. Yeah. I'm totally confused about money. Yeah. Fufu time. Ah. Walala, hi, money. Walala, hi, money. Walala, hi, money, my brother. Yeah. Trust nobody, trust nobody, trust nobody. We know now when it comes to money. Trust nobody, trust nobody. La hora wing, trust nobody, my guys. When it comes to money, everyone is a criminal. When it comes to money, everyone is a thug. Trust nobody, my guy, mama. Yeah. Well, no, hi, money. Let me tell you, Rennie, my brother. Trust nobody, mama. When it comes to money, trust nobody, Rennie. Trust nobody, we know that. Trust nobody, Lola. Everything is money nowadays. Relationship is money, my brother. Yeah. Ah. Relationship is money, my brother. Yeah. Six pack without money is like disability, my brother, nowadays. Six pack without money is like disability. Yeah. Ah, Matilda, I do. Trust nobody, Matilda. When it comes to money, trust nobody. Trust nobody. Trust nobody. Trust nobody. Trust nobody, my brother. I run side. By the time you are struggling, Matilda, nobody will ask you so poverty. By the time you are struggling, my brother, nobody will ask you so poverty. Yeah. By the time you are rich, people will start talking. Yeah, Nuda, Steven. Walala, hi, money. Walala, hi, money. And some without money is like disability, my brother. Hey, hey. Ladies need money. Ladies need money. Relationship is money. Churches need money. Government need money. I'm looking for money, my guy. Thank you so much, but money cannot buy happiness. That's a funny thing. I don't side, my guy. Six pack without money, bro. In my country, when you don't have this, bro, you can't manage relationship, my guy. You can't manage relationship. You can't manage love in my country. I am saying that with a lot of confidence. Lori, nobody can love you in my country without money. Baby, I love you without money. You will suffer. My brother, you will suffer. In Swahili wanasema utagongewa. They will beat for you, ta ta ta, but not egg. Let's continue the vibe. I'm really appreciating. Also check on YouTube, subscribe guys. I have a YouTube channel. Thank you so much for those who are sending the gift. I really appreciate. I don't know how to say that. Julia Vasan, good morning Vasan. I forget to say hi to Vasan, my dear. Alexandro. Mariana. Mariana. How are you? Lori, don't have money in your car. Beaten down. Lord, that's the truth. Lord, yeah. That's the fact. Mariana, Mila, the cara peyoting and golo. Vaza, yeah, yeah. I'm totally confused. Long time ago. Long time ago. Mane and Mariana. Mane number, yeah. Mane number, mama. Long time ago. Mungeno peña kenyare. Mungeno peña kenyare. Well, my grandfather told me, Kimwe. My grandfather told me. My grandfather told me. Yeah. He was confused by that time. Tokara nyiri dwarango. Yeah. Nelly. Nelly, mama, can you dance? Yeah. Yeah. Nelly, I got a tutuna. Nothing. Aye, money hand. Mugenda, even no Mugenda na kanyo. Kent Mugenda. Nothing. Nothing to me. I'm baby, oh, Nella, Nella das, Bazan, Nella das, Mariana mama jungle, Mariana mama jungle, Nelia. Adundo mam jamgo, nyapi wa nyape. Ah, no genie, no genie. Guys, keep on watching. My name is Maka Mugenda. I really appreciate your time, guys. It's a traditional instrument called Nyatiti. Yeah, Amaluo tribe in Kenya. I really appreciate your time. The instrument is an Kenyan instrument. It's Maka. The instrument is called Nyatiti. Yeah, this is a traditional instrument, not modern, not modern, not modernized. Let's continue the vibe. Yeah. I wanna sing to Mariana. I wanna sing to Mariana. Yeah. I wanna vibe to Mariana. Yeah. Ungendale. Yawa tumluongo nyako. Yawa tumluongo nyako. Ah. Adoti chamna chimoro. Mariana le. Mariana le. Mariana wololo. Yabe. Yabe. Yeah. Ni makade milongo jingeno. Donge mano tonera. Makade no tonera. Mariana Mariana Yabe, Yabe, Yabe. Yeah. Sultan. Tommy. Tumulongona Mariana Tumulongona Mariana Adundo mer camino mare Capino yom camino mare Ah, Nita 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 Have you seen the Mariana? I dirty jamna, yeah. Can you dance, Mariana? Can you? Tom Baba, Tom Baba. Have you seen Mariana? Have you seen Mariana? Tom Musiba, Kalam, yeah. Police, call me. Yeah. Lipo Baba Mariana Weanga de Gangolo Gundubai Mariana Abo Ay 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 Everyone dance Can you dance Kanungo Yeah Kanungo Adonya Kanungo can you shake Nita Nita That's my number on you. You see my number there 0720. That's my WhatsApp number. Nita you can use. That's my number Nita. Yeah. Yogi Baba, Yogi Baba, Yogi. my guy. Let me sing one song to Jogi. Jogi, I want you to rap. With this one. Omera, bwana urigine ne bwana dua ni rap gini gimana koyo ni. Jogi wo. Adios. Nikana donge vinyo dagi. Yawa jogi donge vinyo dagi. Allo. Nikana donge vinyo dagi. Jogi. Aye. Yawa kana donge vinyo dagi. Mugela lela tungo nyako. Ya tumulela ngo nyako. Karanyani tunu. Jogi baba. Hola. Yeah. I remember Makai. Back time in Dunga Hill Camp. We playing with the Jogi. Jogi. Jogi woyo. Jogi yawa. Jogi. Yeah. Nikana donge vinyo dagi. Mungena nela twango nyako. Yeah. Yeah. Hola. Yeah. Yeah. Ngama bingo jogi henga. Marap kodu doluo. Adoti yawa. Ni yawane no nyakomoro kato nyinge. Adoti kam. Hola. Jogi. Baba kumani ndiye nyaza yukwemi. Subo. Thank you so much, Henry. Jogi baba ye. For the hustle. For the chamungolo. Yeah. I miss you, Jogi. I miss you, my brother. Thank you so much, Mariana. Ero calmano. Yeah. Jogi woyoga. Hey, Jogi. Wewe. My guy, I'm really happy. Guy, Jogi. Thank you so much, Omera. Jogi, we are performing with Jogi in Kisumu. Jogi is also an artist. Right now, you are where, Jogi? You are in Germany or which country, bro? Jogi is one of the artists that we hustle with by the time I was in Kisumu. That's the main reason why I'm really happy to see you, my guy. We struggle with you, bro. But God time is the best, my guy. Trust the process. Jogi is my guy. So much. We perform with Jogi several times in Dunga Hill Camp in Kisumu. Yeah, that's how. But I know one day we will do something, Omera. You like this song? there's a song I want to play for you. Yeah. You like this song? I remember when we were. jua ya boom nawe. Udindo jua ya boom nawe. Udindo jua ya boom nawe. Mr. P. Udindo jua ya boom nawe. Adwa bukolo tu mangamo di wotokumeni makelo ni wachimachalga ya njo wola diambo. Ngamo wotokumeni. Mipenye ndo baba. Kaya kumende waku. Ogo inu wado mera wedeo. Kani ikono wawende. Ohangla yuwa kwa miel dumeru wadu wabedo mnapi. Kuraka diskobe odonjo diskobe umielo baba kana mitu mana kama. Imadu ka punyo kara pier mer podio. Udindo jua ya boom nawe. Udindo jua ya boom nawe. Udindo jua ya boom nawe. Donyi luonga ya punyo udindo jua ya boom nawe. Adwa bukolo tuo ma wudu mama. Ngamo kwalo japidi mapenjo japidi penja dek. Mokwongo penjo japidi. Nati yangu. Ani hula. Japidi gonen Malario penje. Nati yangu. Aini. Maradeko penje. Nati yangu. Amituni. Ugikumoko mituduge. Jonyo wonye wonye nyama. Udindo jua ya boom nawe. Jonya go chotana. Udindo jua ya boom nawe. Kumkariwe kaya. Nuwe aulu nuwe. Ugikumoko mituduge. Yawagi kumijamogi. Ugikumoko mituduge. Ni all the thing was sweet and naked. Ha ha ha. Ni all the thing was sweet and naked. Ni kumoko mituduge. No arane ane. Nungatongi obando. Obuko poko bando. Mu ae bando dung rachan. Obuko mudo bando. Kabando serumo. Tobuku poyo bando numi. Ukikumoko mituduge. Mu all the thing was sweet and naked. Nukila kitu tamuchi. No arane ane. Nungatongi onjugu. Nobuko bunyo jugu. Mu ae jugo dong rachan. Nobuko mudo jugu. Kanjugo seru moto buku poyo jugu numi. Ukikumoko mituduge. Jonyo mituduge. Ukikumoko mituduge. Narane ane. Inwango wodu ngato. Ka wodu ngato pong buber. Onwango nyara ngato. Ka nyara ngato pong mo. Yey! Nobukole mogowai, nobukole mogowai. Madame Mudongo jue yene, Madame Mose yene, Madame Mose yene. Ae tobuko chiko Madame, ukeli dier ode. Aye. Onwango nyara ngato, kanyara ngato pong mo. Onwango nyara, kanyara ngato pong mo. Nobuko chiko Madame, Madame ukelene, Madame ose kele, Madame ose. Ogeti dier ode, Madame mojok sudo, Madame mojok sudo, Madame mojok. Yeah. Tobango buko mulo Madame. Tobango buko mulo Madame. Tobuko lonyo Madame. Tobango buko chamo Madame. Kakinyu pinyo Madame Mudongo woko no ha. Tobuko ko Madame. To eno buko woro no mi. Ukikumoko mituduge. For all the thing was sweet and naked. The all the thing was sweet. Yeah, guys. Yeah. So yeah. So I'm really sorry for I was recharging the bundles, guys. So the song I was playing, that's a copyright, father. You know, Dindo is my grandfather. He's the one who. Yeah. So that's a song he composed. It's the composition of my great grandfather. My grandfather. Yeah. It's called Joseph Nyamung Odindo. Yeah. So the song was about. He was talking about how if you want to enjoy anything, you have to remove the cover or the outer cover, something like a mango, you have to remove the outer skin. If you want to something like groundnut, you have to remove the outer skin of the groundnut so that you can enjoy the inner side. So even he was explaining, yeah, all the process until where the point when you get a lady, you have to seduce a lady first. After seducing a lady, you have to convince the lady. You invite the lady, take a dinner. After the dinner, you invite in your room. So all the process is that all the process is there. Yeah, all the process. Yeah, all the process. So that's all about the song. It's a traditional song called Kikumokomi Tuduge by my grandfather Odindo Nyamungu. That's my grandfather who taught me how to play the instrument Nyatiti. Hey Omera. Yeah, you don't get to translate. Yeah. Yeah. Gatwani. What? I see jogi. Hey. Manu jogi woyo. Allah. Love Makaye. Some days back on Makaye. I perform in Kisumo. Dunga dunga. I meet people from Obunga. Domiela Dunga. Yeah, Obunga Miela Dunga. I meet people from Nyalenda. Domiela Dunga. Yeah. Bubble Sundava, Yogi, Dum Double Naga. I see Bella Bella. Yeah, Gata. Maria, yeah. That's my number. When you are ready. I do music full time. Yeah. Some days Bakuma Kai perform. Yeah, I perform. Makai perform. I perform Indiani, Lagoon, Papillon. I meet people from Poland, Domielodum. I meet people from Australia. They dance in Nyatiti, they dance in Nyatiti, Bobby, they dance Jogi Baba, gonna dance, Bobby dance, Bobby dance. Let me tell you something that you don't know, you better know before. nitoke lomo. Yeah, no, I have been here. No. I've not been in Australia. I've been in Norway once, not in Australia. But you can invite me in Australia because I have that passport. He's now already waiting. Oslo, Norway. Yeah, let me check water. I know you know this song. Yeah. Ahora, no, she was born late in the night. Her mother was a proud woman, she walks. Her father was a tough man, he walked. He said, she say, I hold my daughter. Lady, he said, she say, you gonna be a doctor. I want to wait to school in the village. Corona Sari school. Yeah. Are you dancing? Thank you so much. Are you dancing? Anachukua, anaweka. Anachukua, anaweka. Yeah. Are you getting the vibe? Rosa. We don't see any meaning yogo. You are. We don't see any meaning yogo. This is the time to call your friend. You are in the water, can I go to Kisumu? Oh man, good morning. Rurue, you are in the water, can I go to Kisumu? Yo in ene kona we kuero nyithindo Kwa iba la pesa Wero siyepu ni mingi yoko Yogi Baba Ay Yogi Baba Oh Walalo Walalo Mukenya 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 Nyatiti Ay 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 Report Bueno siempre ni mi yoko Ay 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 C'est la mobuta Ale C'est la mobuta Wekuero nyepindo makoru mokodi kwa ichanga Ha ha Pero gallo madongo Todando c'est l'amour Ya ven Yeah Ya va yugi Ya va ven Pero mama Walalo Yeah Keep on watching, guys. Much appreciated. It is a traditional vibe. Uko wapi kiongozi? I'm sorry. From Nadia Kamka, listen, you from UK. Nyatiti Kings from UK. Mimi niko Kenya bro, niko Diani. I see Nyatiti from UK. Niko Diani, my guy. Remember, we are with my brother. Not anyone, but only Jogi. Yeah. Oh bien. I see, baby. Endo punyat magai. Tumolungo beril mama. Yeah. Very. Very. Yeah. Akini. Abizinderi. Ayo. Ini mama. Yabe. In never doing. Very. Janabi. Akinyi also working. Bending enough. Very mama. Yeah. Yabe. Hello. Mama. I don't this my name. Mama. Janabi. What now? What the West? Yakwaranga. Very mama. Yogi Buddha. Very mama. Gendago. Nyakoma sombo sombe, ilaro kodano. Nyakoma chamo sombe, ilaro kodano. Very da, nyabe. She's more beauty, nyabe. She's more beauty. No makeup. Why can't I do a lady like a bird? Hello. Why? Hey. How is it to me, America? You know, Berry is alone. She's more beautiful without makeup, my guy. Are you ready for that? Nyakwaranga. Hey. Ado, mambo vipi? Hapo poa poa guys. Yeah, my name is Maka Mugenda. I really appreciate guys. Also check on YouTube, subscribe. It's Maka Mugenda. This is how we do it every day. If I'm lying, just ask Bear. Say no more. No, say no more. Nyakwanyoka. Adieu. Jerry on Sunday night. Janabi Nyakwanyoka. Sido. I see people watching. You can tap on the screen if you like the vibe. This is a vibe. We just have to wake up. Yep, it's a time. Yeah, I see many walodwa, magi walodwa. Ena tum chanda ni nyagwara nyoka. Yeah. Now I want you, Baba. Where's you? Now I want you, Baba. Say la Buddha. Yeah, Layla. I see Tracy McDonald also almost. Yeah. How are you, Tracy McDonald? Hola, Henry. Nyagwana nyonga. Yeah. Nyagwana nyonga. Yeah. Tracy Mama, can you dance? Yeah. Tracy McDonald. Dirty girl, can you smile? Hola. Abisi Nyagwana nyonga. Hola. Yeah. Champoon. Thank you so much, Senamo. Nyagwana nyoka. You like my word. You like the word. That means you don't like me. I don't know what do you mean. What do you mean, Tracy? How can you like the t-shirt? How can you like the shirt? Forget about the owner of the shirt. That's a big mistake. Nyakwana nyoka. Hola. Adonasa Baba. Thank you, Senamo. Chenguaro Mama. Yeah. Orite Mama. Mosna nyari. Ikone kwenye mose. Yeah. Classy. Ikone kwenye mose. Yeah. Ati word. Nyakwana nyoka. Hai manyaloni. Tracy mop. Hai manyaloni. Tracy mop. Tracy. Is you. Tracy, is you. Tracy, is you. Tracy, Tracy. For real. Tracy. Tracy, you want me to run? Tracy, are you ready for that? Let me play for you something now. I was recharging the bundles, don't worry. Hola. Jimmy B also the vibe. Winona, how are you? Ah, ah, ah. Crazy, hello. Jimmy B, crazy, hello. Aye. Ha ha. When you are away, Winona. Hello. Ajata also the vibe. Crazy, hello. Yeah. Ero Jose, ero Jose, ero Josenga. In the beginning, love is so sweet. Yeah. Do you love me? Ha ha ha. You really love me. Hello? Or you will dump me, Tracy. Ha ha. Ati, let's go. In the beginning, love is so sweet. Prove that you love me. Ha ha. Prove that you love me. In the beginning, my eye. Love is so sweet. Yeah. Ah, you know that? Some people cannot sleep without saying mama, mama. To their lover, papa, papa. Hello? Sometimes at the end of my career, lovers separate. Ati lovers separate. Yeah. I'm a happy single man. Ah, I'm a happy single man. Oh, no, no, mama. Yeah. Jenny, yeah. Can you dance? Can you dance? Can you, everyone? Can you dance? Can you shake your bamba? Can you smile? Ah. Yeah. Ha ha. I love somebody. I love somebody. Yeah. I love somebody. I don't know. She truly loves me. Yeah. Ha ha. Demo morning, good music king. Thank you so much. Good morning, king from Lesotho. Ha ha. I really appreciate my guy. Bit of the beat. Doctor Donata. Thank you so much, everyone who is watching. Mine is just to make you happy, guys. My guy, you have to be happy. You have to be happy. You have to be happy, my guys. That's the work of music. Tap on the screen. I love you, everyone. I love everyone, not only Tracy. This is the time now. You have to dance with with a lot of energy, my guy. If you are watching, man, because I remain with around 8 minutes. But if you have not subscribed, check on YouTube is Maka Mugenda. Maka Mugenda. Yeah. Thank you so much, Chris. Bye, Joe. Ah. Bobby Baba, Bajo Mama, Bajo, yeah. Nalo kalo yo chenge no rombe se yumba. Aro yaga kama yaga tero dala. Yeah. I see mipe. Mipe Baba, Tresio. Nabaja, can you dance, can you dance, can you dance? Ay, yeah, Ati kulangom, they are single, ati nini, yo, wana tudanganya, ati wako single, ayo. Nowadays, ladies lie, men lie. The world is confused, men lie, ladies lie. Are they single? They are single. Yeah. They are single. Ati wako single. Now wanataka dera. Ladies lie, men lie. Big up, the one and only. Thank you so much, my God. Trainer at Congo River. Every lie, everyone is lying. Nobody said the truth. I'm dating. I love somebody. I propose to somebody. Yeah. Men lie, ladies lie. The world is so confused, Maka. Yeah, that's me. I'm single, ready to mingle. If you are single and ready to mingle, yeah. You are a player. That's why I'm ready now to single. Ready now. Yeah. I'm single to Tracy. So you see me alone. Yeah. Dako kelo wishu. Eke chupi lo chana. Numira ondagi weo tonjaga meno. you so much, my guy. But Trace is lying. Trace is lying. Me, I'm single. Trace. Come baby, guy, you my cocorico. Come baby, guy, you my cocorico. Yeah. You my cocorico. You my cocorico. If you are truly love me, just come to Kenya. I will love you like a woman. Yeah. I will treat you like a woman. You know what? My time, I don't wanna talk too much. Nyatiti dance is a kaya dance. So itaguleko, shake your body, shake your bang bang. Blendo. Aye. Thank you so much. Yes. Dance can go, yeah. Shake your can go, Ni dance can go, baby can go, hey. Shake your can go, Kanungo is your waist. Come baby girl, come, hey. Thank you so much. Come baby girl, Dula oh dula, anataka kula. Dula oh dula, anataka kula. Bololo anataka kula. Yeah, anataka kula. Anataka kula. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Right now, also I have a YouTube channel. My name is Maka Mugenda. Maka is M-A-K-A space Mugenda. That's my name. I'm from Kenya. Yeah, I'm a young man. As you see. Yeah, I'm a young man as you see. I play traditional instrument as you see. Yeah, so I have a YouTube channel that you have not seen. So just check on YouTube, subscribe. It's Maka Mugenda, and also tap the screen, share the live, and I remain with 1 minute to end the vibe. Thank you so much, everyone who gift, everyone who share, everyone who tap, everyone who is watching. I don't know how to appreciate you. Is my don't touch. Hey Tracy. Okay, from today I have to announce. I'm taken. I have to go to America to see my wife, my lovely wife Tracy McDonald. Let me give you the last song before I go to America. Thank you so much for joking. We have to crack a joke. I wonder why nobody don't like me. I wanna take the drama clean. Yeah. I wonder why nobody don't like me. Oh, it's the fact that I'm ugly. I wonder why nobody don't like me. Oh, it's the fact that I'm ugly. I leave my whole house and home. My children, they don't want me no more. But talking sign the house they bring. When I talk, they start to sing. Mama, Luka, boo boo. They shout, their mother tells them, shut your mouth. That is your daddy. Oh no. My daddy cannot be ugly, so shut your mouth, go away. Mama Luka boo boo de. Shut your mouth, go away. Mama Luka boo boo de. I wonder why nobody don't like me. Or it's the fact that I'm ugly. I wonder why nobody don't like me. Oh, it's the fact that I'm ugly. I leave my whole house and my kids they don't want me no more. But talking inside the house living. When I talk they start to sing. Mama Luka boo boo. They shout them. Mother tell them shut your mouth. That is your daddy. Oh Lord. My daddy cannot be ugly, so shut your mouth. Go away. Mama Luka boo boo de. Shut your mouth, go away. Mama Luka boo boo de. I could have indigest my supper due to the children's behavior. I could have indigest my supper due to the children's behavior. John, yes, pa, come here moment. Bring the bell to you, Marty. John says to John says it's fine. I track the run from down and place. Mama Luka boo boo. They shout them, mother tell them, shut your mouth. That is your daddy. Oh Lord, my daddy cannot be ugly, so shut your mouth. Go away. Mama Luka boo boo de. Shut your mouth, go away. Mama Luka boo boo de. Shut your mouth, go away. Mama Luka boo boo de. 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 I began to show the matter. The children ego no behavior. I began to show them matter. The children ego no behavior. They play with my wife children. You should be proud of them, my dear. You children want to play. Mama Luka boo boo. Mama Luka boo boo de. Mama Luka boo boo de de. Mama Luka boo boo de. I wonder why nobody don't like me. Oh, it's the fact that I'm ugly. I wonder why nobody don't like me. Oh, it's the fact that I'm ugly. I leave my whole house and home. My children they don't want me no more. But talk inside the house they bring. When I talk they start to sing. Mama Luka boo boo de. Wow, that's the end of my vibe. Thank you so much everyone who watched. Thank you so much everyone who support. I don't know how to appreciate you guys. May God bless you so much. My name is Maka Mugenda. As I said, I really appreciate your time. I really appreciate everything for your time, because you invest your time. You know, people investing their time and you take your time watching me. I really appreciate. May God bless you everyone who watch. Asante sana. Remember to subscribe on my YouTube channel. It's Maka Mugenda. I play traditional instrument. This is the instrument I play, guys. It's a traditional instrument. If you want to know more about the instrument, Chris Sankara, just inbox me. I'll give you more information. For now, I have to relax, guys, because I start performing. It was very early in the morning. By 6:30 I was performing until now, guys. As a human being, I have to relax. Thank you so much. May God bless you everyone. And for those who love me, like, hey, don't touch my lover, Tracy McDonald. Hey, the resident. Thank you so much, my guy, resident advisor. Yes, sir. Baby, yes sir. Yes sir. Baby Bray. Thank you so much everyone. I don't know how to appreciate you guys. Baby, baby, oh, baby, yeah, baby, yeah, baby. Mama, shake your bamba, baby, gunga, go down, go down. Yeah, Thank you so much. That's the end of it. I'm really sorry, but I have to. Woo! Yeah. Mr. DJ, check your bangy bang bang. Tracy, I love you so much. I wanna come to America to feel with you, Makani. You my only Tracy. Fungua klasi yawa iko klasi iko mapenzi. I wanna tell you my love. You know I love you, Tracy. Love you, Tracy. I wanna take you Kisumu so that you can see my parents. Are you ready for traveling to America to come to Kenya? Oh, baby. Oh, sweet to my lover. Sweet to my heart. I wanna, come to me, yeah, baby girl. Come to me, yeah, baby girl. Hey, wanna know I my lover. Hey, yawa, hey, you wanna make me crazy. You want to kill my lover. You want to make me heart to beat, yeah. You want to kill my love. Thank you so much, Tracy McDonald. Baby McDonald, thank you so much everyone who is watching. Even the good now is saying no. The God is now saying no. I don't know why. The God is saying goal achieved. Thank you so much, Tracy, for helping me to achieve my goal, my idea. Thank you so much. May God bless you. I don't know how to appreciate you. Yeah, this is a place where I have to show you also where you see the God say, Tracy, come! Tracy, come! Yes, come! Tracy, come! Me! Tracy, come! Me! I wish you luck on performance tomorrow. Thank you so much. In the evening, I will be there. Tracy, me! Tracy, way! Me! Ole! Tracy, babe! Tracy, babe! Tracy, babe! Tracy, babe! No! Tracy, come! Tracy, even the goat is saying, Tracy, come! Tracy, come! Nyeri Omala Omanyo. Njeri Omanyo. Tonango. Jerry umeingia. I was going, Jerry, sure. Jerry, I was going. I don't know how to help you. There, Baba. Jerry, we are going to go chill. Let me sing one song to Jerry. I have to go, by the way, but Jerry is my best. He's also my friend. So let me just sing one song to Jerry. Yeah, I was finishing. I'll just give you one song, and now I'll just go. For real. I love everyone. Yes, he loves us. I was going on my mama because of love that I'll give you all. Oh, you now we're in your manyo. Yeah, jam boom, mama, jam goma. Yeah, jam, oh my. Ya ya merekam in mare, rambanya, adundum. Ada mangan, tingkatin. Let's say God is God. God is the giver, the provider. La parione parmi Dio. Sai mangiare le ciuccia con aerokamano. Agoni aerokamano. Agoni aerokamano.